Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing Will You Press the Button. It's kind of like Would You Rather. Okay, so let's do the first one. I had to make this video 3 times. This is the third time. You can make a planet in our solar system and shape it however you want, giving you the potential to make your own heaven planet. But you can't go to any other planet ever. Upon entering another planet's sphere of gravitational influence, you unleash a fart as powerful as a supernova, killing all life forms in the solar system. I feel like it would kill more than just all the life forms in the solar system. I feel like it would kill more because it's a freaking supernova. Yeah, I'm doing it. I don't care. I'll probably forget, but I don't give a damn. You become charismatic, beautiful, happy, and famous for the rest of your life. 10 strangers will be lonely, ugly, sad, and unknown for the rest of their lives. I'm doing it. I don't care. 69% nice. Okay, guys. Next time I'm gonna do this, I'm definitely gonna do it with like some kind of punishment. Like if I do it, I have to I don't know, like eat cinnamon or something. I don't know. Drink rotten milk or something. I don't know. Like for example, I picked yes, right? So the punishment will be if I picked no, for example, like it had less than a 50%. If it's 50-50, then it's fine. Then I don't have to do it. You'll learn and fully comprehend the ultimate truth about how the universe functions. But you may not like what you learn, and you may not share the information with anyone. Okay, yeah, sure, I'm doing it. I don't care. Quit. Wait, let me search this up. What is Quidditch? Ends of some points. Oh, sure, I'm doing it. I don't even want to do it. It's too freaking dangerous. You have 50 chances of winning 5 million bucks in the lottery, but if you don't win, you lose the connection to your family. I'm gonna do it. God damn it. Send it back. Yeah, not understood. Have supernatural abilities through eating a fruit. Lose the ability to swim. I'm scared of the water. I developed a phobia of the water. I do not care. You can access Netflix in your head and watch things anytime you want. You can never eat junk food again. Okay, sure, I'm doing it. I can just eat the spaghetti. There's some spaghetti that's actually really good. Or, like, for example, ramen. Ramen is not junk food. So, no, I don't want to. I'm the most skilled artist known to mankind. But your art is unable to be filmed or photographed. Thus, you never become famous. I don't care, I just want to be good at art. Oh, ship. I said ship. Register. I'm gonna register. What's this? Mark the Narc. I don't know how to censor this. I'm just gonna type this real fast. You know what? Gonna do this. Do it fast. Boom. Boom. I agree. Sign up. safe, I guess. So, can I log in? Let me log in. I'm not, never mind. All the girls will love you and you'll be the sexiest man alive, but you're gay. I can just change. Got it for sure. You know when you will you. But you cannot change that you will die at any time, no matter what. Okay, I don't care, just want to know. You can finish your university degree now and have that job, but you will be bullied like a student nurse. Sure. You will be bullied like a student nurse. I don't care. I want to go to NASA. I want to make millions or billions. By the way, becoming a janitor in NASA, you will get paid millions per year, like at least $1 million per year. You gain the ability to tell if someone is lying, but you cannot tell the truth. It's like one of the other ones. Like it's the same thing, but the opposite.
Wow.
You gain the ability to tell if somebody is lying, but you cannot tell the truth. It's like one of the other ones that I did, but you cannot tell the truth. Yeah, I know. You have a future calendar of all events that will happen to your friends, family, such as their death, injuries, breakups, etc. You cannot do anything to stop any of the events from happening. Sure. Whatever. I want to know if I can make $1 million. You can have an unlimited amount of soda. Literally, I thought there would be a worse downside. No, this is literally a normal downside. I can just think of a soda. Oh, soda. Soda. You can speak to every machine on the planet, but nothing alive can understand you no matter what. No. You get front row tickets to any concert you wish. No, you have to sell alone. Per every concert? No! That is literally so bad. I don't even want to go. You have to play any musical instrument in existence, but every time you play in public, you play the accordion. I love the accordion. Wait, what is the accordion again? Accordion. No, I actually wanted to know how to play this before. I really, really wanted to play this. Always. Yeah, I'm doing it. I have always wanted to play this. You get to rule the world. You have to pay every country's debt for them. If I rule the world, can't I just say, no, I don't have to pay it? And everyone's like, whatever. Yeah, this is perfect. You have the. God damn it. My intellect is ginormous. Just do this. The ability to use any superpower you want. Have it for the span of your life, and be able to change it on a whim. Okay. Event totally emotionless. Okay, I guess. I can have a nice house, good car, and loads of money, but you're on the Jersey Shore for the rest of your life. No. I'm making a video. Stop, I'm making a video. You perfect any skill you want, but you would have to withstand every submission move known to mankind for 3 minutes each. I have no idea what that is. So yeah, sure, I'm gonna do it. Literally, I can perfect the skill of time travel, for example. Okay, time travel, time. The love of. Stop! I told you I'm making a video. Jesus, you'll be able to tell what anyone's attitude is towards you, and can read their mind. But the love of your life dies when she turns 21. Who said it has to be a girl? You'll be able to tell it, what anyone's attitude is towards you and can read their mind. Yeah, sure. I don't give a shit. I don't give a damn. People will stop sending you Farmville requests. I don't know what Farmville is. Obviously, I'm not doing it. World speed crashes every 30 seconds. What crashes every 30 seconds? Sure, I'm doing it. Wait, no, that's 10,000. That's usually what I have. No, go back. Go back. Wait, no, go back. I will not. Stop giving me this. You never have to work for the rest of your life, but you always have to wear diapers. Okay. Wait, do I still get paid? If I do that, I'm definitely gonna do it. You're a king/queen, but the world you will live is in the Game of Thrones, but Dead Edition every now. It's Big Joffrey. I don't know what that is. I've never watched Game of Thrones. You die, but your afterlife is you getting to go to your favorite books. That's not a bad side effect. You can just say, but you die. I'm doing it. I literally have every single dream. You may marry any celebrity of your choice, but you're not despising. You have to and your spouse publicly. Okay. So I don't care. You become more powerful, have more money than Microsoft, and convenience is the first rule of all humanity, but you die in 2 weeks. I don't care. I can just give the money. And, like the last one where I have like super great things in my afterlife. Yeah, I'm basically gonna have this as well. And I can give this money to my family after I die. And my friends. You get to hang out with Gabe Noel for a day. What Half-Life 3 is canceled? I don't know what the hell all this is. You can listen to any song in your head on command. Call Jason. I don't know what this is. I am confused. You get to be happy for the rest of your life, but someone closest to you can never be happy again. Ooh. Yeah, sure. You get good grades at any time you need to, but the rest of your friends fail. Fail in what? Okay, guys, write down below something, like what superpower you would want down in the comments below. And the first person to reply gets to choose a side effect to that superpower. So let's see what everything's gonna be. You get to choose anything you want, do anything you want. Like, you could say, I wanna have infinite money, but you die in 1 second. Like, something like that. I don't know. Okay, guys, so this is gonna be the end of my video, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.